Hello, boys and girls. My name is Miss Virginia, and welcome to our 5th kindergarten lesson. I'm very excited that you're here with us today, where we can practice counting and practicing our dot games and recognizing numbers, and then finally counting. What are we counting this week? Who remembers what we did the last lesson? You remembered we read Click Clack, Splish Splash, which had fish that were rescued by the animals from the farmer's aquarium. And so this week we are going to count some goldfish at the end of our time together today. So let's get started. What are we going to do to get our brains nice and warmed up and ready for our day? That's right, we're going to count. What number are we counting to this week? Say it louder. Really, really loud. What number? 40. We are going to count to 40. Fantastic. So remember, I'm going to say a number, you're going to say a number, and we're going to take turns until we get all the way up to 40. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Fantastic! We made it all the way to 40. You did a super job. Now our brains are all warmed up and we are ready for, what do we do next? That's right, we're ready for our dot games. Oh, cows are on the screen today. That's right. Those are definitely spotted cows, but let's remember how we play with our dot game. That's right. You're going to see them. You're going to hold how many dots it is in your brain and hold it really tight until I ask, and then they're going to disappear. And then I'm going to ask you to shout out, and you're going to say, there's 3 dots. And then we're going to say, how many were there? Let's check, and we put them up. And then we're going to talk about all the different ways you could see that in this case, there are 3 dots on the screen. Fantastic. Are you ready? I know you are, because I know your brains are warmed up and you're ready to think about how we see dots today. All right, here we go. Here comes the first one. Ready? All right, hold it in your brain. Hold it in there. How many? Okay, how many is it? Tell me. 4? Oh, I heard so many of you say 4. All right, let's put it back up and let's check. Let's get our board. Get it all ready to see if we can figure out how many dots that we saw. All right, I'm going to put them on my board. And let's count them together. Are you ready? 1, 2, I drew on my board. 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 4 dots. Excellent work. So how might we have known there were 4? It does look like a dice. If you play games, that does look like a 4. You may have just known that's a 4. I know it from a dice. What are some other ways you might have seen 4? Oh, that's good. 2 and 2. 2 and 2 does make 4. Is there another way you might have seen 2 and 2? Oh, very nice. Okay, let me put it back up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might have seen 2 and 2 up and down. Excellent job. What are some other ways that you might have seen 4? Three and 1. Very nice. You might have seen 3 dots and 1 more dot. And that does make 4 dots. You guys are really thinking today. That is fabulous work. All right, let's go to another one. Are you ready? All right, here it comes. All right, hold it tight in your head. Hold it tight, 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 tight. Okay, how many? How many? 3? Oh, I heard lots of 3s. Okay, let's put it back up and let's talk about it. All right, here is our dot pattern. So let's count first. You're right. 1, 2, 3. There were 3 dots. How did you see 3 dots? You just knew it was 3? Okay, fair. How else might we have seen 3? You're right. Last one we had was 4. And if we take 1 away, that left us with 3. Good thinking. How else might we have seen 3 dots? 2 and 1, 2 and 1. Yep, that's another way we could have seen 3. You saw the 2 on the bottom. Okay, so maybe you saw 2 and 1 to get 3. Very nice work. All right, let's get ready for another one. All right, here we go. All right, hold it in. Hold it tight, 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 tight. All right, how many? Oh, that was really loud. That's right. Oh, okay, let's check it. Let's put it back up. All right, let me draw it so we can count how many dots. Okay, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. I heard so many of you say 3 so loud. Very good work. Right. How did you see 3? Oh, I see. Like the dice again. That does look like a 3 on the dice. Very nice job. You are exactly correct. How else did you see 3? Oh, it's like the one we just had, but the dots moved. So it was here. That's our last one, and we just moved it up and put it here to give us 3. And if we move a dot, but don't add any or take any away, is it the same number? You're right, it is the same number. All right, let's take one more way. What's one other way we could have seen 3? 2 and 1. Nice. 2 and 1 makes 3. Excellent work. You guys are so with it today. I'm so impressed. All right, let's do another one. Are we ready? Those brains are really warmed up. All right, here comes another one. Oh, whoops. Okay, never mind. Let's play again. Now we're ready for another one. Here it comes. Hold it in your brain. Hold it tight, 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 tight. How many? All right, tell me how many? 3, 4, 5, 7. Oh, that's a big number. 6. Oh, I heard all kinds of different answers. I definitely think we are going to have to check this one. All right, let's put it up there. All right, let's see if I can draw this one. That's a lot of dots, friends. All right, here we go. All right, let's count them together. Here we go. Let's start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. Excellent job. All right, who can tell me how we can see 5 dots? Okay, maybe you just knew it was 5. How else could you have seen 5? Oh, I see. So 3 And then you counted on 4 and 5. Nice. 3, 1, and 1 does make 5. Good job. Good work. How else might you have seen 5? How else might you have seen 5? That's right. Very nice. So you saw 2 and 3. And that gave you 5? Nice work. That was really close. So someone said 3 at the top. Oh, let me get it all erased. And 2 at the bottom. And that would be very similar to what we just did. 3 and 2 makes 5, just like 2 and 3 makes 5. Good work. Let's take one more. What's one other way you guys saw 5? Oh, I see it. Okay. So that would look like 4 and 1. And 4 and 1 more makes 5. Nice thinking today. All right, let's get ready for another one. All right, here we go. All right, hold it in your brain. Hold it tight, tight, tight. All right, how many? Tell me. Louder. How many? 4, 5, 6, 5. Lots of 5s, a couple 4s, a couple 6s. All right, let's look and check. Here we go. All right, let me draw it and let's count them. All right, here we go. All right, let's count them together. Are we ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 dots. How did you see 5? Oh, that's good. Okay, there's a dice, which is how many? 4. We've already seen that one today, haven't we? And if we do 4 and do 1 more, that gives us 4, 5. 4 and 1 makes 5. What's another way you saw 5? Oh, you saw lines going sideways. 3 and 2. 3 and 2 makes 5. Nice job. How else did you see 5? All right, let me get that one ready. Hang on, let me draw my dots back. All right, so you saw 2, 2, and 1. 2, 4, 5. Excellent work. You guys are so good at seeing these in so many different ways. I am so impressed. All right, here we go. We're ready for a new one? All right, remember, hold it in your brain. Here we go. Right, hold it in there. Tight, 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 tight. Okay, how many? How many? 5? 4? 5? Oh, I heard lots of 4s and lots of 5s. All right, let's put it up there and let's check it. Let me draw it. All right, here's our picture. Let's count them. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you count with me? You didn't count with me. Let's do it again. Count with me. I want to hear you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dots. How did you see 5? It is like, okay, I'm going to back up my screen here for a minute. Let's back it up. You're right. It's like our, let me get it the right direction. It's like our last one, but it's been turned. And if we turn it, see that? There it is, and we turn it. If we turn it, but we haven't added any or taken any away, is it still the same number? Very nice. It is. It is 5. If you didn't see it as being turned, how else did you see 5? 4 and 1 again. Good. There's 4. And then 1 more at the bottom makes 4. And 1 is 5. How else did you see 5? Give me one more way we saw 5. Ah, okay. I heard somebody say 2 and 3 gives 5. That's right. 2 and 3 does give 5. Excellent work. Okay, we're ready for another one. All right, here it comes. Are you ready? Here's the new one. All right, hold it in your brain. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Tight, tight, tight. All right, how many? I can't put anything past you guys. You're right. It is 5. Oh, I tried to sneak and I rotated it again. All right, let's look at that. Let's go back to the last one. All right, there's the last one. And what happened? One little dot moved. See that? It moved from there to there. And did we take any away? No. Did we add any? No. So if the last one was 5, this one's also 5. What are some other ways you saw 5? You really like 4 and 1, don't you? Yep, there's 4 and 1 is 5. What's another way? Yep, that's right. You might have seen 3 and 2 and 3 and 2 gives 5. We didn't do that one on the last one. Let's do that one now. You might have seen 1, 2, and 2. 2, 4, 5. Good thinking, friends. Oh, you're so good at this. All right, here we go. You ready for another one? All right, we're almost done. You hang in there with me. You're doing such good work. All right, here we go. All right, hold it in, hold it in, hold it in. How many? Tell me again, louder. I heard so many of you say 4. All right, let's put it up and let's check. All right, let's count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't put anything past you guys. That's right. Last time it looked like this. And what happened? We took 1 away. And when we take 1 away from 5, how many are left? 4. You guys are really sharp today. What's another way you saw 4? 3 and 1. That's right. 3 and 1 is 4. What's another way that you saw 4? All right, I see that too. Someone said 2 and 2. Excellent. You guys are doing so good with our numbers today. All right. Are we ready? Let's do another one. Here we go. I think this might be our last one. I'll let you know in a minute. All right, here we go. Tight, 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 tight. Hold it in there. All right, how many? Oh, I think your brains are getting tired. How many? You didn't say it loud enough. I heard 3, and I heard 4, and I heard 5. All right, let's put it up there, and let's check it. Here we go. This is our last one to talk through. All right, here we go. Let's count them together. We ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. Excellent. How did we see 4? Okay, 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 gives me 4. Good job. Oh, you saw the diagonal 2. So you saw 2 and 2 that way. Good work. That's also groups of 2. Fantastic. That does also give us 4. How else did you see 4? Oh, it's like the dice but moved. Okay, so let's pretend this dot was up here. So there's a 4 on the dice. Oh, put it where you can see it. And then what if I take this one and I move it down there? It's still 4, isn't it? Good job. Good thinking. How else did you see 4? Oh, you saw 2, 3, 4. You guys are getting really good at these dots. I think this week we're going to have to get to where we have more dots on that page because you're doing such a good job of all of the different ways that we see the dots on the page. Fantastic. All right, are we ready to shift gears? Whew, that was some hard thinking. What are we going to do next? We're going to read our numbers. Why do we learn to read our numbers? That's right, because we have to be able to read them so that our brain recognizes them so that later on we can write them, because we have to see them and be able to read them before our hand can write those numbers. All right, here we go. Shout them out with me. Are we ready? All right, here we go. 2, 4, 5, 3, 6. Oh, we made it. All right, let's go back to that 6. This was our new one this week, right? We didn't have 6 last week. Remember we talked about it last time that 6 has kind of a curve on the top and then a circle kind of down here at the bottom. That's right. And what number does it get mixed up with a lot? What's this one that looks a lot like it? A 9. We're not doing 9 yet, but they're easy to mix up. So I want you to spend a lot of time this week looking carefully at that number 6 so we learn what it looks like. All right, let's move past 6. And now we're going to count fish. Okay, what's our strategy? Who remembers? Circles. What do we do with the circles? That's right. We leave the circles up there because that helps us know that we've not left any of our fishies out and that we've not done what? Counted a fishy twice, because we want to count every fishy and count every fishy only one time. All right, here we go. Let's practice. This isn't very many. You probably already know, but you're going to count it out loud with me. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2. Did we circle all the fish? We did. Did we leave any out? No. Did we count any twice? Nope. So how many fish was that? 2. Because we stopped at 2 because we drew 2 circles. Okay. Our brains are warmed up. We are ready to count fish. All right, here we go. Here's our new one. Are you ready? All right, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I don't need to say 6. Oh, I'm so sorry. Why don't I say 6? Oh, we ran out of fish. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, let's back up. We better start over. I don't want to mess this up. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fish? Shout it out. 5. Those are 5 fish. All right, you guys are really sharp today. All right, let's do another one. Are we ready? All right, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fish? 6 fish. Did we count any 2 times? Nope. Did we leave any out? Nope. You're exactly right. There were 6 fish on the page. You guys are so super smart. I am very impressed. All right, we have one more set of fish to count. Are we ready? Uh-oh, I already have some of the circles, and some of the circles are missing. Boy, this one's kind of tough. How can we fix this one? Let's see, what could we do? Why don't we count the ones that are already circled? Let's see if we can do that. We've got 1, 2, 3 circled across the top and 2 at the bottom. And we've done this something like this today. We've seen 3 dots and 2 dots. And how many dots was that? That was 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 fish circled. So are we done counting? Oh, we're not, because there's some fishies that aren't circled. Oh, well, maybe we should circle them. So what number should I start counting on? Oh, 6, because we have 5 circled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fish do we have? We have 8. That one was super tricky because some of them had already been circled. Someone must have run in and circled our fish before we started. Whew. But you know what? We did it. We made it. There are 8 fish on the page, and you guys have done such fantastic work today. I am super, super proud of you and so glad you were able to join us for our lesson today. I'm looking forward to you coming back and counting again with us, and I hope that you have a super fantastic day.